What can you tell us about LeBron's injury? I mean, was that sustained in the game on Thursday?
No, it was sustained in the Indiana game, and he played through it in the Milwaukee game. But um, the medical team is just keeping a close eye on him, and we listed him as doubtful for tomorrow.
Do you know how he did it?
Uh, I think it was a basket attack, collision with one of their bigs at the basket.
Um,
What about how Kuz was latest thing about his chance of playing tomorrow?
Listed as probable. We're hopeful that he responds to today's activity well, and if he doesn't have significant soreness and pain from the work today, then he should be in for tomorrow. But we gotta wait and see how he is tomorrow.
Obviously, you missed a lot of time, but who steps into that void if he looks like he's not going to go tomorrow?
If he doesn't go tomorrow, then it's gotta be a group effort. We'll release starting lineups and all that stuff tomorrow. But it's one of those things that no one person can pick up. Where everything that LeBron does for our team. So it'll just have to be a group effort.
doing a doctor's check with everybody. How did AD make out after the Milwaukee game, and how is he feeling in practice today?
About the same, still battling some soreness. But he's. What are we listing him as, Ali? We're listing AD as probable.
Probable.
Yeah. Still dealing with some soreness.
Coach, when Kuz does come back, whether that's tomorrow or down the road, what are you hoping this stretch of games, despite I think 20 games so far, what are you hoping to see from him as far as his continued progress?
Yeah, just hopefully finally get integrated with this year's team. He's been set back with injuries. Every time he gets a little bit of momentum, he's pulled back with an injury. So, we just need to get him healthy. And when he's healthy, he's a great player, and he's going to really contribute to what we do on both ends of the floor.
Has he expressed the type of challenge that is pre-injuries, you could say, to start off the season? Has he expressed frustration in that, or is he kind of...
Yeah, I mean, simple answer is yes. He's been frustrated by it. That's why we went with this plan, to just make sure that this ankle injury is fully behind him, and before we get him back out there, and hopefully that's soon.
Frank, is Avery under any more restrictions? And if not, is there a thought to move him back to the starting lineup, or are you happy with how it's?
He does not have any restrictions, and that's under consideration. Is all I can really tell you.
Has KCP made that sort of more of a debate than maybe it was when Avery first got injured, or?
KCP's done the next man up mindset times 100. He's really played well. But it's not really going to change if we make that kind of change. Both guys are going to play huge roles for our team.
Coach, what was your favorite Christmas gift as a kid or growing up, and why?
That's a great question. You're asking me to choose one. It probably would be, since this time of year, probably be the Millennium Falcon when I was a kid. That big toy, that giant. Still remember the giant box, and obviously I was a big Star Wars guy growing up.
Frank, there's been a proposal by the league now. It seems like it's getting closer to where that could really happen, where doing an in-game tournament. Do you have any thoughts about that, or how do you react to that?
No thoughts that I'm willing to share, quite honestly.
Frank, given the very obvious import of LeBron, just what's your level of kind of short-term versus long-term concern about this specific injury?
We'll see. It just happened recently, so we want all our players to make sure that they're healthy. That we're being intelligent. With this time of year, understanding that it's a marathon, it's an 82-game season, and we'll see how it progresses.
Like, you guys have practiced very little, really, in the grand scheme of things with the travel and the way the schedule's gone. Does it help having a veteran team in that situation when you're not doing practice much?
Absolutely. I wouldn't have, trusted our guys as much as I have the last few weeks with limited practice time or keeping them off their feet. Had it been a younger group that I felt like needed the work, but these guys are vets. They, great experience and intelligence. And you know, that's contributed to why we've, you know, sort of taken the smart route in terms of how much practice time.